just charge my head, see never see. Forget it, I say bashi. When it's in respect is just a even though we are not
Just about give me the scene.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tessie. I live in Italy. If today is your first time of seeing my face, you are welcome. And if you are a subscriber, like rock, like thank you for still subscribing and still viewing my video. I love you. Let's just jump into the video because today we are going to be talking about, like, yes, this is for my people in Germany. Please, because nowadays they just deport like you don't really mean anything to them. Even if you go to school or other things, they will still deport you. Do you know why? Planning to deport 240k people. That's 240,000 people. Like, it's not. This is not a joke. This is not a joke. If you know you live in Germany, be very careful. Be very careful. They can even, as you can see, they deport baby mama nowadays. Because number one, you are a baby mama in Germany. You will not work. You have 3 children. Is that not like? Are you serious? Like, let me look at. Are you serious? Baby mama, you have 3 children. Okay, you went for the first time. Please, it's a mistake. My boyfriend ran away. I can't see the owner, the father of my child. Please help me. Okay, they accepted you. They put you in their house. Like, after you gave birth, another 1 year, you came with another baby again. Like 3 baby. It's not fair now. I wish it's Nigeria. Like, they will still do the same thing. Please, my people. My advice to you, if you are a baby mama, because you will still see crazy boys out there, they will still break your heart, they will still do all sorts of things. Please, when you go to Germany, claim the baby mama. Stop adding to it. Don't go there after giving birth to that one. Then you go and look for Senegal or like Senegal, Ghana. And they will still impregnate you again. You still go and meet them. I did not see the boy. Like, it doesn't make sense. If you go there, after doing all you want to do, after giving birth, you start going to their language school. That's when they will know, this girl is ready. It's really a baby mama. Like, do you know what's baby mama? Like, you are, like, the boy ran away. If the boy really ran away, why will you have 4 children? 4 child for the person. It's crazy. Even the German people, they don't used to give birth to 4, 3, 5. Some people, I've seen some people, they have 5 children. They have 5 children in a dual house. It's not fair, guys. It's not fair. Please, we got to use our sense. I don't know why Nigerian people, when they give you small freedom like this, you will take it to the next level. Everybody now, if you are just pregnant, it's Germany. If you are pregnant, it's Germany. Like, you will not allow your mouth to take care of you because of Germany. I've also seen this one, whereby a boyfriend or girlfriend, they will go to Germany to give birth. After giving birth, the child money will start causing problem. Like, they just value that money more than their child. I don't understand. The child money will start causing problem within the boyfriend and girlfriend. They will start fighting because of the money. Maybe some will say you went to collect the money, you did not inform me. Some will say you went to collect the money. The thing will start causing confusion among them because of money for your child. It's not for you. Maybe I know they are still paying the woman and the man, and the money for the child, it will start causing problem. They want to take it all. Why are we so greedy? It's greediness. Then they'll go and maybe sometimes in some situation, the woman will go and meet them. I don't want my husband again because she wants to claim all the money. She wants to start earning all the money to herself. You understand? After it's not I don't want him again. I will be able to take care of my child. I don't need any husband for now. He's giving me problem. Then they will not drive your husband. Then you start earning the money because you are so greedy. You want to you want to eat all the money. Did you get pregnant because of the money, Or do you want a happy home, a happy family? What's wrong with boyfriend and girlfriend getting married? Why some men, they live in Germany, they have a document. They will deceive woman out of other country. They will say, come to Germany, I will marry you, I will do everything. After you come, they will impregnate you. When you start giving birth, they want to collect that money. They want to start collecting that money. They don't even care, because that's why they brought you there. They want you to give birth, then German people will start paying you, then they will start collecting it. That's their motive. We should be very careful, because now we are the enemy of ourselves. It's not the German. I have seen some situation whereby their two will still go to they will still go to Germany. When they get to Germany, the man will start misbehaving. The man will start beating the woman, like maybe because of the money or because of other things. Maybe he doesn't love the woman again. All those things, he will start beating the woman. You want to live with a man that is beating you? Are you serious? Okay, let me just forget about that one thing. Okay, you go to the people, please, my husband is beating me, he's beating me. Like, they see the footage, they see your pain, they see the injury. Okay, they will give you paper. Come and donate your husband. Come and donate your husband so that he will go to prison, or they can send him out of that house. Later you say, I don't want my husband to go to prison. I don't want my husband to go to prison. He's the owner of my children. He's the father of my child. I don't want him to go to prison. Are you making sense at all? It doesn't make sense. It's like you are playing with them. You don't know what you want. Lazy people. You and your husband, you are eating Aduro's money, then you are giving birth. Like your work is to give birth. Every 1 year you are giving birth. Some people will have 5 children. Naduro has. You and your husband, you don't want to work. Your own aim is to give birth. Like, are you targeting 240,000 people that they want to deport? They are going to deport the lazy ones. Even now, if it's already happening, because they will deport your child, deport you, deport your husband, deport baby mama nowadays. Like one baby mama that has one child, it's not common. They will not deport you, because they know you are like this is really baby mama. Because baby mama, you don't have to have more than two child, 3 child. You are a baby mama. I don't understand. Please, my people, you will really have to take it easy. If you are in Germany, when you give birth there, start going to their school, study their language. After going to that school, then look for small work to do. When you start working, we start earning your money. You and your boyfriend or your husband, you can say you want to give birth to another child. Not when you are not working, you are not doing anything, and you're like, your whole aim is to give birth. If it's me that owns that country, I will flush you out. Like, for example, like I manage my room. I manage what I eat, you understand? Then I saw you outside. You say, please, I don't have here. I'm staying. I'm broke, and my boyfriend chased me out of his house, and he ran away. And I'm pregnant. I don't want to abort the baby. Please help me. Then I will not take you. I'll take you to my room. I'll take you to my house. Then, after like 1 year, you've given birth. Is your own motive? Is it not to look for work or to study? Let me just throw away study now. Is it not for you to look for work so that you can pack out of my house? Yes. No. Okay, you will not say after that 1 year. After that 1 year, you've given birth. Then the second year, me that owns that room, I'm not giving birth to. You've not seen me pregnant. Then you will not give birth to 3 children in my house. You will not plan of living. What do you expect me to do? What do you expect me to do? Like me, I have womb. I can give birth. But based on, because I study myself, I study my income, I study what my money will be able to buy, I won't give birth now. You understand? Because I'm still planning ahead. You that doesn't even have 1 room, you have 4 children in my room. Like, it's crazy. I know I'm just talking everywhere. I know maybe after editing the video it will come together, because the thing is just annoying. Please, I know German people, please stop deporting my people. Stop deporting Nigerians, please. That Nigeria, it's not easy. Nigeria is not easy. And if you are ignorant, please, if you are ignorant, I'm telling you now, stop giving birth like you own that country. If you give birth to two, it's okay, please. And number two, there are still some lazy ones. You and your boyfriend, you are staying in Germany. You gave birth to one child. They'll give you apartment. Maybe they give you one room. They give you apartment to stay. Then later, you get pregnant again. Before another, you get pregnant again. Your boyfriend is not working. He's not going to school. You yourself, you don't want to go to school. Like, you people are spoiling that country. Like, seriously. If you really look at it, I know you will say, German people, they are wicked. They are not wicked, because it's Nigeria. Like, your government cannot even take care of you that is a citizen. Talking of immigrants, like, it's getting out of hand. And German people, they are hungry. And they are the one working. They are the one working for husband and wife that is sitting down at home, changing channels, looking at television like they don't want to work. It's very annoying. I can't be working for you to be eating when you have two legs. Your two legs is intact. You have husband. For those of you that doesn't have husband, that claim that you don't have husband, stop giving birth to more than one child when you don't have, because, and it's not God that gave you that second belly that you took to them again, or the third one. Stop giving birth like fowl, please. Yes, guys, today we just you have spoiled the country. The people that are really baby mamas, that their boyfriend really ran away, now they want to deport them because of abuse, like abuse of rights. I don't know what to say. People abuse the rights that they gave to you people. Please, if you have more than one child, and if you know, let me quickly pass this information. If you know that they gave you that paper, leave our country, come back to it. Maybe because many people they went from Italy. If you have documents in Italy, you have 2 years, 5 years, you have to come back to Italy and start your life here. You have to wait. Let that document get to 00. Let it be stronger before you can in our country, or will come and deport you. When they give that letter they give to them. Don't wait for them to come and deport you. Don't say I have 5 children. Don't say I have 3 children. They will not deport me because I have their child. They are looking for babies. Like, okay, is it nice? Are you not a baby factory? I don't understand. Don't say I have children. They cannot deport me, and they will not do me anything because of my child. Is it only that they will not deport you because of your child? It's not in Germany. In Germany, they will just deport you sharp. Like, there's no looking back. If they give you that paper, even if you don't have documents in Italy, you can come back and start from somewhere. And they don't need to deport in Italy like that. Please, thank you. And if this video is helpful, please share it to your friends. Let them see, let them hear it. You guys shouldn't look at my size, because I'm just telling you the truth. Thank you for coming here. I hope you enjoy my video. Till we see you another day. Bye.